Hello, good people. Welcome to today's tutorial. So today we are going to learn on how to create or activate breakout rooms in Zoom. So the purpose of this, if you have a Zoom account, if you haven't, or if you don't have one, kindly create one for yourself to be able to test this, also to be able to practice this by yourself. So the main reason for us to be able to learn about on how to activate the breakout rooms in Zoom, it helps most of those who are in the field of training, trainers. If you have a larger group that you would want to train, and you want also, as much as you are training online, also you want to give some online assignments so that they are able to do and commit immediately within a few minutes or seconds, then you can be able to use breakout rooms. So let's start. So this is my account. I've already logged in through the Zoom app. So first we want to go through the process of activation. So you click on the setting clock wheel icon at the right top corner. Click on it. Then this window will pop up down here where my cursor is. You will see it gives you an option to view more settings. So this will direct us to the Zoom web page where we are supposed to activate that aspect of breakout rooms. So click on it. Once you click on it, it will lead you to a browser. Here we go. We have one. As you can be able to see, it has opened. So let's close this. Here we go. So it shows that already also I'm logged in. So my account is active. So what we do, we go to settings, click on the settings option. Then under setting options on your left, then we scroll down once bit and check on or enable. You go to in meeting advance and enable that. So once you enable that, that will enable that aspect of creating breakout rooms, and it will that uh, part will be added to our interface. So that's what we need to look for. Advance in meeting advance here. Then we have here allow host to split meetings participants into separate smaller rooms. So basically that's what we are going to achieve. You are a trainer, you are training maybe 30 students, 15 students, or you have trainees whom you are training as a trainer of 10 individuals. Then you want to give a break, create a room for them to be able to participate, maybe on a question, then you are able to do so. So we enable that. Yes, that aspect. Once you enable, then we go back to our Zoom app. So here we have some options on the breakout room. Once we enable, allow host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling. So you can enable these options. Allow host to broadcast message to participants. Yes, allow host to view active status of participant in breakout room. So this also you can be able to allow, but that one you can allow even later. Then you save. Once you save the options that you've checked on, then you go back to your Zoom. So let's say I want to schedule for a meeting. So there are two options. You can create that as well when you are on already existing meeting, or you can create one for yourself, or you can create as you create a meeting in Zoom, then you can also enable that aspect as well. So let's see if we can be able to have new meeting. Let's connect. It's only me who will be connecting, but that option will be available. So I'm already connected. As you can be able to see, sorry, my camera has an issue, but I'll be able to fix that. So I have Zoom already. That aspect of classroom is set up and is activated. So basically that's how you activate. So let's click. So when you click on you can be able to see down here on my tool menu, or the start menu down here of the Zoom window, you can be able to see breakout rooms has been already option has been created automatically. So once you click on the icon, you will be able to have this window. So you can create one, you can assign your teams automatically. You can also assign manually. You can also let the participants to choose their own rooms. So you can create. So let's see how to create. So I've created one already. Then I can be able to rename it. I can delete it, and I can reassign it, or I can add. You see, I can add. So I can have two. Let's say I have a team of 8 students or 8 participants whom I'm training as their trainer. Then I'll be able just to add the two, if that will be okay for my team. Then I assign. So I can click here because I don't have the list of the participant now, but if that's so, then I'll be able to assign them in different rooms. So I can be able to rename this as uh, uh, classroom A. Then I leave it that way. Then I also uh, rename that classroom B. So I have a classroom A and a classroom B. So I have a room A and a room B. So then I can open. So if I open, then it means that, wow, I've started to broadcast. So I can, once the teams will be subdivided into the groups or into the rooms, different rooms. But once I've enabled that aspect, then I can be able to bring them back. I can close the rooms within this time limit set. Maybe I need them to only attend the classrooms or rooms or the breakout rooms within 30 minutes, or within 2 minutes, or within 5 minutes. Depend with the timing that you've set up to the classrooms. So that will, once I close that, then I'll be able to go back to my I'll return the whole group back to the main training window. And also you have much options. You might ask yourself, how do we have extra options? So these extra options, these are what will help us to or will facilitate an amazing uh, teamwork so within the classrooms. So you can allow participants to choose their rooms. That option is there. You can check if you want it. Then allow participants to return to the main session at any time. So you can be able to, once they are done with their assignments, or once they are done with the assignments within the classrooms or the breakout rooms, then they can be able to go back to the main session. Or you can time them, because we have that breakout room close automatically after 30 minutes. You can change this. You have a room, you have option to be able to change this once you checked it. And also you can enable that aspect of notification to let um, uh, the team know that they have remained only out of 30 minutes. They have only remained with 2 minutes, 5 minutes to the closure of the discussion, if rather that was the case. So that is aspect is there. Then you can also enable the countdown after closing break of the rooms, so that you are able to follow up properly. So those are the best options that are there for you. So that is one aspect or one area that you can look into, or how that also how you can be able to create these breakout rooms to the existing already scheduled meeting in Zoom. Also, another option, let's close or end the meeting. Yes. Another option is when you are scheduling, when you want to schedule for a new meeting. Let's say I want to schedule for this meeting, so we leave that option. So there are also fundamental options here that you need to know, or you would want to learn. So you can make your meeting recurring uh, through your calendar to your invitee, or to those people you've invited to join your meeting. If it is a meeting that you want to be recurring each and every month, or weekly, or twice a week, then you have the meeting, then you can be able to have that option. Another aspect is the option of meeting ID. You can leave it at uh, to be generated automatically via Zoom, or you can always have your distinct or share in your personal meeting ID to your trainees or to the participant within who have joined the meeting. You can enable that option of video. You can wait room. You can wait room. So wait room, only users admitted by the host can join. So waiting room is this is just to regulate the individuals, or on how people are onboarding to the meeting. So that option as well is there. Then the calendar, the options of calendar. So let's see advanced options. So advanced options, here we go. We have that aspect here as well. Let's see what other options we do have. Allow participants to join anytime. Mute participant upon entry. Automatically record a meeting. So these are options that are there for you that you can learn and enjoy as you schedule for your meeting. So I need to show you where that option is. Let's see. Okay, that option is not here with me, but most of when you update your Zoom app, then that option of creating breakout rooms is always under advanced options. When you expand the advanced options area, or options, then you will be able to automatically, it will be listed, and for mine it has not been listed. So that marks the end of our presentation, or my presentation today. Kindly subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and continue to support my work, so that I'm able to do more. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy and you've learned something.